What up YouTube? Back to another video. Today we are working on the 11th gen Honda Accord, upgrading the front grille that has a mold on in with the front lip, adding some reflector lights and some side skirts. First one ever that we have done on the 11th gen Accord. And of course, all this cool stuff is at dtrmotoring.com. So if you guys haven't already, head over to DTR, check out our new website design. We work endlessly, tirelessly on adding parts every day. And hopefully your car is on there. Go check it out. So let's welcome the team, show you guys what we got going on today, and let's get started on the video. If you haven't already, hit the follow button and let's enjoy the ride. Back-to-back videos on YouTube, Ed. What's going on over here, dude? What's going on?
A lot of disassembly for this new body kit.
So what do you got going on right now?
Just taking off clips, screws, everything of that sort. You know, just prepping the bumper to come off cleanly.
Nice. So right now we are doing a full undercarriage, as you mentioned. The front bumper has to come off for this assembly because we're replacing this whole bottom grille with a new design lip that comes everything in there. We also have new grills on the upper grills available if you want that, but cool accessories there. Then we come over to the side and you're gonna have the side skirts. Right now it's without it, so we're gonna go ahead and start that. And the guys over here, say what's up to YouTube. Hopping on the homies. Figuring out the wires because we are installing the reflectors. So in order to get to this service, you need to pop the bumper off. There's the reflectors right there. Pop the whole bumper cover off. The customer already has a rear diffuser, so we didn't use the one we have, but we do have options. And this diffuser is also on our website too, so you can grab that diffuser. So removal of the bumper to get the reflectors. He already has aftermarket taillights, which is a bonus, so it's gonna match all together when we get to that part. So full transformation today on the Honda Accord 11th gen. Not too sure when they're gonna start making intake systems for it. It looks very similar to the other one, but we were gonna work on that next. So as you can see, all the boxes for today's delivery, we have website orders and pickups and appointments. Thank you, shout out to all you guys. Coilovers, springs for days, intakes, inlet systems, and every body kit color you can think of for the Civic, the Integra, the Accords, and everything we can get our hands on. So we haven't even put these away. We still need to put them away and source them up there because we got overstock. But here, we're taking a look at the front bumper with the grille. This is pretty much what we're all replacing, and the paint match pieces come like so. So there is other color options when it comes to this to match you guys' vehicle. This is for the 11th gen Honda Accord. This is the diffuser covers. These are the exhaust exits for when you do the back piece. So this is our like display setup. If you ever see it here, we have tail lights, badges, and all that fun stuff for the Honda. So this will be like our generic area. Tuning in with the update. The last time you guys are gonna see the front bumper like this, the disassemblement has already happened. So the front end is off right there. It's gonna look so good. I can't wait to show you guys that. So if you guys are ready to book you guys' appointments, make sure you guys hit us up. You wanna take it on? We got body kits, suspensions, all type of parts for this car. This car's already lowered on IBOC lowering springs. So if you're looking to lower your guys' vehicle too, we can add that as well. We are checking in with your local electrician, D. What are you doing right now, D?
Trying not to burn the car down.
He's just kidding, guys. Everybody clip it out, clip, cut it, source it.
Right now I'm wiring up the reflectors. It's a little tedious.
But again, a good solid connection on that. So on the rear reflectors, when you guys are running the wires, you're gonna have to drill a little spot hole through it to run the cables through to get a clean delivery. So this one's gonna run up, run there, and then this is where you prong all the wires. All right, Ed, what's the update we got going on?
Old apron's off, the new one's going on. Just mocking everything up, just pushing it in, and then go secure it.
Yes, sir. That looks nice. Let's go visit Big D over here. Big D did it. How? You're stuck right now, dude. Bro, man, long day for Big D. But we got a vacation time coming up. Don't worry, bro. Next few days you're gonna have off. All right, check out the rear reflectors. Oh, dang. You did that, bro? You did that? You did that. The taillights you guys can find on our website as well. Right now we had to take off the bumper and rewire that assembly. That's a turn signal, right? Nice. Turn it off. Do the load up screen one more time. Yeah, dude, look at that. Lighting has to be one of the coolest things about modifying a car, like after it's done. So side skirts have been mocked up as well. Side skirts, fitments. Oh yes.
They're installed.
There, you see that? You got it too. We have our speech impediments. It happened to you too, live and indirect. Side skirts are installed. Oh, and it has the Yofer badges. Yes. That's so sick. Even more official. Don't forget to plug in the sensors on your side.
I plugged it in.
Alright, you did? Mock up.
Oh yeah.
What do you think of the fitment so far, Ed?
It's good. It's a good fitment. Look at that.
We gotta do the upper grill delete. That one would be dope too.
Yeah.
We almost did the full system on this one. Front, side skirts, all that fun stuff.
Yeah,
Looks good. The rear one is Awasaka, Alaska, whatever that other one brand is. I can't even say it, but yeah, don't quote me on that, but it's a different brand. All right, D, what would you say your experience is to the YouTube world? Back-to-back videos you've been featured in. Oh, wait, did I say Ed? I said D, right?
Yeah, I said Ed.
Did I say D right now? Or I said Ed?
I heard Ed.
I said D.
I don't know.
Ed D. Okay, tell the YouTube world how did it feel to be back on the camera back-to-back again?
Buy body kits.
Yes, I like that answer from you.
Oh wow.
All right, how we looking, Ed?
Pretty good. All buttoned up. Just finishing everything up.
Yeah, dude, now we get to roll it out and make the actual pictures. That'll be uploaded to the website too, so you guys can find all this stuff, dtrmotoring.com. As always, in the videos, all this cool accessory stuff. The rear turn signal, you guys saw it earlier, but gotta show it off again. You know, looks so sick. Everyone's favorite part, baby, the results. Check out the new front lip / bottom grill. It's an all one-piece assembly, so when you guys are installing these, you have to remove the whole front bumper. We have a full YouTube video showing you guys behind the scenes of how it's going to look, but check it out. All right, YouTube, here we go with the final results. The front grill, bottom base, the side skirts, the rear diffuser, he already had it on there, so he did that already. This one also is lowered on eyebox springs, so the reflector lights are finished. Side skirt assembly into the front end. Thank you guys for watching today's video. ShopDTRMotoring.com. Link is in the bio. Located in the city of Riverside. Book you guys' appointments, and we'll see you guys in the next video. So rollover of the video. Go ahead and turn on the lights. So now you have the rear deflectors and the new Yofer kit all the way around assembled. On the earlier video, we did not have the diffuser put on. He had the other version, but now we have the full complete kit here. And on the website, you guys can now find them live for you guys. Color matching setup all the way. Then we go to the side skirt. And then carrying over to the front bumper, we have the front bumper. Now, when you guys are ordering these kits, it's gonna come with the bottom half into the bottom grill. So you get this whole mold. So when you guys are installing them, as so in the video, this is the whole outer under piece and assembly that you're going to take off. So that's how it's going to look right there. Gives it a whole new facelift. So that's the complete kit. Bottom, lower grill, lip, side skirts, rear diffuser. Let's pull it outside for some pictures. All right, about to pull up the car for the footage. A little behind the scenes as it rolls out. Let me get this. I forgot the hybrid I was waiting for.
And I was like, you turn on.
All right, YouTube, here's an official walk around. You have the bottom grill, bottom lip, color matched into the side skirts. This one is lowered on eyebox lowering springs, so this is how you guys' setup would look. Into the actual side skirt, and then into the back diffuser with the rear reflectors changed. I'll show you guys a quick video of the rear reflectors. You guys can buy this whole assembly. When you guys are checking out, it's gonna easy click your color option. Show you guys, make sure you guys grab the right one, and it's gonna come with a full complete kit on everything you guys need. So check it out.
Ready?
Hang on. All right, go ahead. So this is the rear reflectors, right on the back, lit up. It's a startup. You do the turn signal. Turn them off. There it is. On to that side. There it is right there. So shopping, dtrmotoring.com. Click it, easy checkout right to your guys' front door, or you guys can cruise by for the shop, book your appointment to get it installed as well. So there you go, boys. Do shopping at ease at dtrmotoring.com. Thank you guys for watching today's video. Road to 10,000 subscribers. If you guys haven't already, hit the follow button. See you guys in the next video.